I know that's not spaghetti in the pasta salad. It sure is. And I'm going to show you how to make an amazing cookout pasta salad. You're going to start off by boiling your noodles in some vegetable stock. Next, you're going to take some cucumber and chop it. Then you're going to take all the colors of the bell pepper. I mean, red, yellow, orange, and green. And if you're like, Chef, I don't eat no bell peppers. I need you to grow up because we're eating our vegetables these days. Nobody wants to continue to go to the cookout with a pasta salad with just salad dressing and noodles and a little bit of cucumber. Next, we're going to go ahead and chop up our onion and our tomatoes, and then we're going to floret our broccoli. After we get our pasta salad out of the water, we're going to go ahead and give it a quick little rinse, and then we're going to season it with my Just Magic seasoning, which is the all-purpose seasoning. Next, we add a little bit of grapeseed oil and a little bit of vegetable bouillon powder and give that a nice mix. Then we're going to toss in our veggies. Now, once we add our veggies to this pan, you want to make sure your pasta has been cooled down a little bit so it doesn't cook your vegetables. Then you're going to add in some more of that Just Magic seasoning. You're going to add in 2 kinds of salad dressing, and you're going to make sure it's Italian. One of them going to be a zesty Italian salad dressing. Now, make sure it does not have milk in it because it will no longer be vegan. Then we're going to add some of that nutritional yeast in it. That's going to give our cheesy flavor and some crushed red pepper. I added my dry range packet. I make sure I have no milk in it so it can remain vegan, black pepper, and other seasonings. I'll be sure to include all the details in the description box below. This recipe came from my girl, Lady Q Soul, and you can find her on Instagram. I told her I wanted to make her delicious pasta salad, and I said I had to make it vegan. She said, go ahead, boo, do you.